In April 2022, literally 3 years ago this month, I made a decision to move from California to Dubai. And once I made that decision, I started to visualize. Every single day, I will close my eyes and I will see myself walking Mojo, which is my baby, through our new neighborhood. Even though I didn't know exactly where we were gonna live yet, but I felt a warm breeze, or maybe even hotter than that, the sun on my skin and the sounds of the birds chirping. And I saw it in my mind and I felt it in my body like it was already happening at that moment. Fast forward 1 year later, April 2023, I got the keys to our new place, and by June that year, we left California and officially made the move to Dubai. And now, 2 years later, I'm living in this exact scene that I once only imagined. And that's the power of visualization. But I know some of you who's watching this might be thinking, but Amy, I can't see anything when I visualize. Or you say something like, I'm just not good at visualizing. My images are blurry. If that's you, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you, first thing is I wanna explain why visualization works and how it reprograms your subconscious mind. Second, I'm gonna break down the difference between visualization and meditation. Some people get confused. And third, I'm gonna give you a practice that works even if your mental images are not clear at the moment. And then I'm gonna walk you through my exact 5-step creative visualization process that you can use. And lastly, I've got a special gift for you at the end, so make sure you stay with me. Since 2019, visualization has been a non-negotiable part of my manifestation practice and daily practice. I started working with Bob Proctor, my first mentor, and that's when I first learned how powerful visualization actually is. You see, visualization has helped me to manifest everything in my life, and my most recent manifestations, including winning the award that you see the little golden guy in the back, I saw myself winning the award on stage, receiving it even before it happened. And I also saw myself got my YouTube channel monetized. I literally saw the email that says, congratulations. And lastly, I moved across the world to Dubai. This is when I mentally rehearsed in my mind the moment until it became real, until it became a reality for me. And my clients have also used visualization to manifest what they want in their lives. Some of them receive emails like contracts signed or orders received from their clients. They also visualize closing deals, moving into their dream homes, and then attracting clients, even speaking engagement at workshops, and also getting investment properties. You see, once you learn how to visualize correctly, you become a magnet to your desires, whether it's people, clients, money, or aligned experiences, whatever it is that you want. All right, so let's start with why visualization works and also address a common misconception. So the reason why visualization works is because your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. It responds to what you repeatedly feel and the images that you have in your mind. So when you visualize with emotions and with repetition, you literally are rewiring your brain. You shift your identity and you start to send a new signal to the quantum field. And that's why so many athletes like Michael Jordan, even celebrities like Jim Carrey and Tony Robbins talk about the power of visualization. And see, here's a common misconception between visualization and meditation. So visualization is not the same as meditation. Meditation is actually stillness. It's a passive act. It's about observing your thoughts and allowing guidance from the universe or God or higher source, whatever you want to call it. Whereas visualization, on the other hand, it's actually active, it's creative, it's an active process. It's about intentionally imagine a new reality and seeing the desired outcome in your mind. So they work beautifully together, meditation and visualization, but they serve different purposes. So people always ask me, so what's the sequence? I would do meditation first or visualization. So my recommendation is to meditate first when you can actually calm your mind, and then you will get into visualization. And you can start off by visualizing just 5 minutes a day to start off. Now, if you're someone who's tried visualization but thinks that, oh, I can't see anything, it's all blurry, you're not alone. I hear this from my clients all the time. But here's the truth. Everybody visualizes because that's how the mind works. Your mind naturally thinks in images. So if it feels hard right now, it's not that you can visualize. It's just that you haven't strengthened that mental muscle yet. Okay? So I want you to think of it like going to the gym. When you first starting lifting weights, let's say, your muscles are weak. You cannot lift much. But with consistent practice, you start to build up strength. Visualization works the same way. It's a skill that you developed. It's a mental muscle. And the more that you practice, the easier and the clearer the images become. Here's a simple daily exercise I give to my clients and I like to share with you. So I want you to find an image or a photo of something simple. So I have $100 here, US dollar, why not? Okay. So I want you to stare at it for 1 minute. Okay. And then I want you to close your eyes and I want you to recreate the image in your mind. Okay. And I want you to do this for 5 minutes a day. Okay. So you just look at this, look at it in its detail. Okay. Very detailed. Okay, for 1 minute, and then you close your eyes and you try to conjure up and bring that image in your mind's eye. And if you just do it for 5 minutes a day for 7 days, I guarantee you the image will become more and more clear. So just keep on practicing, and this will help you to get better at visualization. Now, here's my 5-step creative visualization process. Are you ready? This is the exact same method that I personally use and hundreds of my clients use to manifest their desires effortlessly. Step 1, you want to relax into stillness. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. You want to calm your mind and body and allow yourself to enter a peaceful, receptive state. Then, step 2, this is where you want to create a clear mental image. You want to visualize your desired outcome as if it's already done. Make sure to include the 5 senses. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. You want to make the image as vivid as possible. Step 3, focus on the feeling. And this step is the key. You want to tune in to the emotion of it's already done, whether it's gratitude, joy, peace, or excitement. Let that feeling expand in your body. And step 4, now it's time to let go and act as if it's already done. Release any attachment or neediness, and you want to carry yourself throughout the day as if it's already done. Last step, repeat the process. You see, consistency is what rewires your subconscious mind. Just a few minutes each day can really shift everything for you. And here's a quick tip. When should you visualize? You see, visualization doesn't have to take long. Even 30 seconds can be incredibly powerful when it's done with intention. So go about your day and then take a moment, go through the 5-step process and mentally rehearse your desired outcome. Let me give you an example. Let's say if you're going into a meeting with a prospect or with a lead, you want to close your eyes and pause. And you want to see the end result in your mind's eye. Visualize the deal closed, them saying yes with a smile and a handshake. And then you want to ask yourself, how would I feel when that's done? You'll feel grateful, accomplished, joyful, and feel that emotion right there and then. Let it sink in. And you want to walk into that meeting embody it's already done. Remember, your mind thinks in images, so give it a clear and a vivid image to work with. The more that you combine it with clear intention and specific outcome with elevated emotion like gratitude, joy, and certainty, the more powerful the creation. Just like Dr. Joe Dispenza says, clear intention plus elevated emotions equals creation. So when you practice this, you train your mind to focus on what you would like to see happen. And through the law of attraction, the universe cannot help you but to bring you the exact image or something even better into your life. And if this video has helped you to understand visualization more deeply and you're ready to practice it with me, join me for my 5-day creative visualization challenge starting on Saturday, April 19th to the 23rd, and it's going to be a game changer for you. I will be hosting a 1-hour masterclass just on visualization. And this is where we'll do a live visualization together and answer any questions you may have. You will also get my creative visualization guide PDF, which includes the do's and don'ts and the 5-step process of visualization, including 4 videos on the 4 pillars of life, which is health, finances, relationships, and spirituality. You also get daily practices to help you to start to rewire your subconscious mind to manifest your desires. Details and the link is in the description below. Make sure you register, and I can't wait to see you inside.